First here at 5 o'clock, a jury convicts a man of speeding, driving drunk, and crashing into an ORU soccer player, killing him.
Prosecutors say the victim, Eugene Quanar, was stopped at a red light when Nicholas Robinson slammed into him from behind near 71st and Yale back in 2022, and that caused Quanar's car to burst into flames. Thanks for joining us. I'm Lori Fulbright.
And I'm Craig Day. That verdict came in within the last 15 minutes or so, and News on 6's Reagan Ledbetter has been in the courtroom all day today. He joins us live with the details. Reagan?
Craig and Lori, Nicholas Robinson didn't react when the judge read the verdict just a few minutes ago. Now, the victim, Eugene Quanar, had a courtroom packed of all of his friends. He's from Ghana. He came here to Tulsa to play soccer. Now, during closing arguments, prosecutors showed the jury a picture of Quanar's burned car and described it as looking like a bomb went off, but also showed a picture of an untouched soccer ball that was found inside that burned car. Now, prosecutors said that ball is a symbol of Quanar's life because he traveled halfway around the world to pursue his dream of playing the sport he loved. Prosecutors said jurors are the only ones who could give him justice. Prosecutors argued it was clear Nicholas Robinson was heavily intoxicated because his blood alcohol level was 4.5 times the legal limit. They showed the jury body camera video of officers detaining Robinson after the crash, where he was incoherent and slurring his words.
So, Reagan, what did the actual investigation show about how Robinson was driving that day?
The lead traffic investigator with Tulsa police testified that the data from Robinson's car showed he was going 73 in a 45 uphill about 1 second before he hit the victim. He also said Robinson didn't touch his brakes at all. Prosecutors ended by saying this case is all about choices, and Robinson, who already had a DUI back in 2019, made the choice to drink and drive and put everyone's life at risk.
So, Reagan, what did Robinson's attorneys have to say?
They really focused on, Robinson's dad and Robinson went to a restaurant about an hour before the crash, and the attorney says that Robinson only had one margarita. Now, he also said that there's surveillance video of the suspect at the restaurant, but investigators lost that video, so it couldn't be shown at the trial. He says that video would have shown Robinson wasn't impaired. Now, I talked with his attorney, Stanley Monroe, right after the verdict came out, and he says obviously they're very disappointed about the verdict today, but he said, look, it's a tough case. He says the blood alcohol level was so high for Robinson, it was tough to convince the jury of anything else than the decision that they made today. He also said it's a tragic situation for everyone involved, and he feels terrible for Quanar and his family. Now, the jury recommended 35 years for the second-degree murder charge for Nicholas Robinson, and then 4.5 years for the DUI second offense. He'll be sentenced in February. Live in Tulsa, Reagan Ledbetter, Oklahoma's own, News on 6.